Hello guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how to connect your Facebook to your Discord account. So let's get into it. First of all, you just need to open up your Discord and log into your account, of course. Now at the home page you can see the profile icon at the bottom right. Click on it. Yeah, alright, we will be here at this interface. Simply scroll down in order to open the connections here. So right here you can see that there is no connection right now here. So now what you need to do, click on the add at the top right corner, and from here you can select your any of the app that you want to connect with your Discord. For now I just select here Facebook. So you have to just wait for a couple of the seconds or 10 to 15 seconds, and then you will be here at this interface. So here simply click on continue as, and next to it you can see your profile name of your Facebook account, and after 10 to 15 seconds you will be here at this interface. You have to just wait for completing this process, and now you can see that the Facebook has been connected to my Discord account successfully. So let me show my connection folder again. I just open connections again, and now you can see here the Facebook profile has been showing here. So it means that the Facebook account has been connected to my Discord account. From here you can change all of your settings according to your requirements. And guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.